listen to those winds. Dramatic video puts you right at the forefront of the chaos. The winds kicking up around San Diego. Our photojournalist Paul Anderegg and the 10 News breaking news tracker right there is CAL FIRE. They work to desperately free 2 people and a dog from the cab of a big rig here. And this was just in the last hour along I-8 in Descanso. At least the second semi to be toppled along that stretch of freeway, and they are now shutting down the lanes and diverting them onto East Willows, though we understand the cones that they put out to divert the drivers, well, those have blown away. No one in that semi was seriously hurt. You see the dog there as well, appears to be okay.